Ka Seng ka badan ha ka Liang Pyrshah jong ka sarkar. Kata ka Trinamool Kongres kala Dawa ban Wanrah da ka Jingtohkit ba Laitluid. Ha ka bay day bat ka Jingsha set yap jong uba cheris to feel thank you. Ubalong unong yalam barim ka Seng let no HNLC. U Dr. Mukul sangma ulo ong badan shibun ki Jingtohkit kum ka NIA bat ka CBI ki bala ban le ya ka Jingtohkit ka ba Laitluid. Kini ka Jing Dawa banle ya kini ka Jingtohkit da ka National Investigation Agency lani da ka Central Bureau of Investigation klami hadin ba ka sarkar Meghalaya kala Wanrah ya ka kaipo Jingtohkit bla le tang da uwi ubrio kata da ujaju bala shongthat uti vaipai bat ya kini la Wanrah ha ka sngi baningkong jong ka dorbar senrai jong ka ying dorbar thawan ka jela ha kini ka kaipot la ong ba ka jingyap jong uni ule no barim kadai na ka daw ka jing bakla ha ka por ba la lek khenra da ki pulin
that all the necessary action as per law is taken by the government to ensure justice, because any instance where a justice is perceived to have been denied is something which creates a situation generating lack of confidence and trust on the authorities, which doesn't augur well for our democracy. Therefore, government must ensure that there is no space, no room from any corner to feel that justice has not been done.
Ka Seng United Democratic Party minta ka sngi. Kala penlong ya ka jing rakhi dap arpusan senam jong ka Seng, jong ka jing Seng ya ka ni. But ya ka 25 Foundation Day, but ha ka ni ka sngi, la peliru ya ka office rekam bathamai jong ka ni ka Seng. Habakren hak ni kajing yelang u presiden ka Seng u ba met ba lingdo. Ulo ong ba ka Seng kan yo ya kajing job ka babun hak ni ki election ka banwan. Kinong yelam barim jong ka Seng bakintup yu ba bindo em lanong u ba met ba lingdo u ba jamino mautho bat kiwei kila ajing kren chapang ka history jong ka Seng ka jingtmu jong ka Seng bat ka jing trekam jong ka.
This year 2022 is a year we celebrated and we still celebrating of our attainment of our statehood, Meghalaya, which consists of the Khasi, the Liang, and the Halor. And here we are in this hall today with that agenda. We love our own and we will respect others.
Menteri Katanat ki Kamkor Bari US Shankar